What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and today I'm attempting a different kind of video. So, the Met Gala happened. Still not really sure what the Met Gala is, what goes on inside. This year, a couple of YouTubers were invited, including our very own James Charles. And this is what he wore to the Met Gala. Now, at first glance, it may look like your run-of-the-mill Coachella look, but once you look closer, you'll see that it's made up entirely of safety pins. So today, I decided I would try to DIY it because I was like, it's just safety pins, like, how hard can it be? But then once you look closer, it's like 5,000 safety pins, but like, it's fine. I don't have to have a social life. So it is designed by Alexander Wang. This is no disrespect to him. I think he's iconic. I just want to see how long it would actually take to make this. I think it's just fun. Now, I'm not here to judge the outfit. I'm not going to critique it because let's be honest, who's going to trust fashion advice from someone who's dressed like a traffic cone? And I know the whole James Charles situation is a very controversial subject right now. I'm not here to give my opinion on anything because I feel like the people who are in the situation will deal with it, and there are plenty of people commenting on it already, so I'm just here to have a good time. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off by looking up a couple of high quality images of his outfit so that I can zoom in on it. I have a couple here, and oh! I just zoomed into his nipple. Did not really want to see that. Okay, so basically I got 4 packs of safety pins and it's 200 in each pack. So that means I got 800 safety pins. Did I do that math right? I literally spent $30 on safety pins, so that's like 10 cups of bubble tea. So this better turn out well. These are like really sturdy ones. Do you guys care? No one's gonna recreate this. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I also realized that a lot of these are connected by chains and little rings, which I did not really anticipate. Oh, shoot. Okay, I see the problem now. It's kind of hard to connect these and make them lay flat. I think we have already run into a freaking problem. Shoot. Okay, I am back with a solution. Basically, I'm going to make all of the little circle rings that connect all the safety pins. So that seems like at least a couple hundred. I really love not sleeping. It's like one of my favorite hobbies. It's fine. Let's get to work. And that's one loop. Okay, I'm just now realizing they don't have to look perfect. So some of these loops are gonna be squares. Oh, what's that saying that's like, if you don't show up, you're square? What is it? Be there or be square. Wow. 3 loops. So how's life, huh? The kids are okay? Yeah? Yeah, well, I'm just sitting here making little tiny metal loops. Life is not going... Oh, you don't want to hear about my problems? Oh, it's fine, it's fine. So, how are the kids? I already asked you that, didn't I? I'm so sorry. I just like am going a little bit insane because I'm just sitting here making little metal loops. Did I already mention that? I'm sorry, am I getting annoying? Well, I'm sorry.
Deal with it.
Is anybody still watching this video? I hope not, because I feel like I'm just exposing how annoying I am. Okay, I'll just see you later. Bye. Hello. It is half an hour later and it is still me, unfortunately. Update, this is the amount of jump rings that I've made so far. I feel like I've been working forever, but there's really not that many in here. So then, my dad walked in the room and asked me what I was doing. I told him what was going on, and he was like, you are dumb. Frankly, I agreed with him. And he came up with a genius solution that I don't know how I didn't come up with myself. I'm just gonna take like a thin, long, circular object. I'm gonna take a section of wire, cut it off. Basically, I'm just gonna wrap it around the long cylinder object, and that's gonna create a coil. And then from there, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just finish this first. Can you hurry up, please? So once I've coiled it all up, I'm just gonna take the coil off, and I can make like 13 just from this. It's gonna be so much faster. Then I'm just gonna cut through the coil. Well, would you look at that? It sounds like I'm clipping my fingernails right now. Welcome to fingernail cutting ASMR. See you when I'm on the verge of crying. Bye! I'm back! As you can see, lighting has changed because in fact, it is a couple hours later. A new update. I have gotten a snack. Would you look at that? A snack eating a snack. The big update is I finally finished making all the little jump rings. It really doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot. I finished my entire roll of wire. Let's get started with actually assembling the Avengers. I actually tried to start, I assembled maybe 10 safety pins together and it took me half an hour. If those 10 pins, oh my god, I'm literally gonna cry. If my calculations are correct, I'm gonna have to spend 1,000,000 hours on this shirt. I'm gonna just tape it down to the table so that I can work without it being a little rascal. I think I'll start with the neckline. You know, life is a funny thing. It's cool. Eating that mango was the most joy that I felt in the past 5 hours. Well, lick a nickel and call me Teresa because I finally finished one piece and that is the neckline. Yay! I'm comparing this to the picture and it really doesn't look like it, but I'm just glad that it's over. This took me like an hour to make. It is currently midnight. Listen, I would like to get a couple hours of sleep tonight. You know, I don't ask for much, just like a couple hours, you know? You know what? Whoa, am I crying? Why is there water in my eyes? It is currently 2:30 a.m. and I hate my life. Oh my god. See you in the morning. Bye. Hello, sisters. It is the next day. After 7 hours of grueling hard work, all I have finished are a neckline and one nipple cover. This is some hard SHISTER. I think I'm just gonna go on to making the second nipple cover. Flashback Mary to when I was like so excited and I was like, this is gonna be so much fun. I think it's just fun. I'm just here to have a good time. Yeah, it's not really the case anymore. Hello, update time. As you can see, I'm a little bit happy. I finally finished the second nipple cover. This is what it looks like. Honestly, such a big improvement from the previous one because I actually took a closer look at the photo. I realized that it was a different technique than I thought it was. We all know that the first child is the experiment. So I think now I'm gonna attach the nipple covers to the neckline. So I've gone a little bit. Wait, what am I saying? Okay, so I've started connecting all the pieces together a little bit. I guess I'm just gonna lay out the pattern that I want with the pins so that I can visualize. So it looks like it's a diamond pattern. Do you ever get to that point in the night where like if you've been reading a lot or like focusing on one thing, your eyes just start to close? Like if you fully open it, your vision is kind of blurry. That's what is happening to me right now. I think I've just been staring at this for so long that my eyes are so used to this focal length. Oh, this actually is looking not that bad. I'm kind of excited. Life's what you make it, so let's make it rock. Ugh, I don't want to do this anymore. Ah! Alright guys, I finally finished attaching everything. I actually think it looks pretty good, but okay, let me try to. Okay, so this is what it. Oh, shoot. So this is what it currently looks like. I look like a freaking gladiator. I'm determined to make this. I'm like groping myself. Nipple covers and neckline complete. Once I'm finished, I'm gonna frame this and show this to my grandchildren. So I'm gonna do the semicircles. Those actually seem pretty fun. I'm kind of stoked for that, but might regret that in about 5 seconds. What? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I do have some more wire. It's thick enough to make those little circles that the semicircles are attached to. So I'm gonna make 2 loops, right? Yes, right? Yes, yes, no, yes. I'm going insane. Here's a little glue stick for my glue gun and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Just poked myself. Cool, 1 ring down. Awesome, yeah. So now we have 2 little nipple-sized loops. I said that so like cute. It's like a little nipple size. That's weird. I'm actually gonna remake the loop and I'm gonna make it like a double loop just so that nothing falls off. Okay, I'll just use my finger. Is that safe? Is that allowed? Is that allowed? Well, I'm doing it anyway. I would not recommend this method. Just oh my gosh, that's cutting off my friggin' circulation. Ow! Gotta continue though, gotta continue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, would not recommend doing that. No. Where the frick did you go? I do not want to make another one of those. I better find this low. Where the frick are you? Dude, I guess I'm gonna have to make another one. You know what? That time was not that bad. Ow! Okay, I have my 2 loops. I'm just gonna create the semicircles, I guess. Hello. It is currently 1:16 a.m. I finally finished the one under boob. Look at this. Actually, pretty proud of this. I think it looks really cool. So for the other one, I think I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. It's hard work being a DIY queen. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Hi guys. It is now the 3rd day that I've been working on this. You know what? I actually think that I'm getting somewhere. This is what it currently looks like. So I finished the other under boob and I also did the little triangle thing at the bottom. Another issue is I'm kind of running out of time because I have to leave for a flight in 2 hours. So basically I still have to do the bottom fringe and I have to do the sleeves. However, I realized that I probably wouldn't have enough time to do the entire sleeve. So I picked up this roll of decorative rhinestone mesh. Okay, I'm gonna do the fringe first. If anybody wants to buy this off of me, this will be on Etsy for $10 million. Also, I feel like it might be kind of confusing as to why I'm wearing a friggin' sheep right now, and yesterday I was wearing a tank top. I don't know, man. Canada is kind of crazy. The weather up in here is like, you live in an igloo one second, and then the next second you're like, wait, the igloo's melted. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool life living in an ice hut. Although most of my diet does consist of maple syrup, surprisingly I don't have diabetes yet. It's great. So, move to Canada. All right, so I am now done with the fringe, but now I'm gonna finally move on to the sleeve. So I am gonna use this. How? Yeah, attach this to the top half and then like cross it over the back. Will that work? I have to approximate how big my back is. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go for it. There's no pictures of what it looks like in the back, or if there are, I just can't find any. So I'm gonna just improvise. This will be at the front like this, and then attach in the back like this. You know, it might work. Let's do it. I'm just gonna attach it with safety pins, I guess. Obviously, we've been new, sis. Like, this whole thing is made out of safety pins. Oh, actually, do I use safety pins? I could use the little rings, too. Yeah, okay, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use jump rings. Yay! 1 jump ring on. 1 million more to go. Okay, hello. I finished the little strap thing. Now I'm just gonna do the other side. Then we almost will be done. Oh, but this doesn't match. This is like way shinier. No! Oh shoot. Looks like I literally just ran out. Okay, so I might not have enough to do like actual sleeves. I might just... Why am I low-key excited though? I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm kind of excited that I don't have to do the sleeves. As a baby, I do this.
I thought that you knew this.
Gosh darn it. Okay guys, so I finally finished attaching the other side of the strap, or the sleeve, or whatever you want to call it. Oh wait, wait, I'm not done yet. The neckline, like I don't have anything to tie it to my neck. So I'm just gonna tape it to myself because I have 30 minutes until I have to be at the airport. Well, let's see how it looks. Okay, I have the garment here and I'm gonna put it on. How do I put it on though? Yes, arms, hello. Interesting. Oh, and oh. How do I look? Amazing? I know. Instead of the tape, I'm not reaching into my pants. There's a pocket here. I am gonna pin the neckline to the neckline of my shirt. Okay, I probably should use a mirror so that I don't like poke my carotid artery. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so this is what I look like. You know what? I think it actually looked better without the can I even call these sleeves? These are like shoulder pads and like forearm jewels. Honestly, this part, not bad. That's the back. It's not terrible. Well, should I be saying that? Like, listen, I think I did a good job. Oh, it looks so bad. I realized what it looks like. It looks like I'm wearing a backpack with like my Coachella outfit. I'm gonna take the tape off just to see if the structure holds. I spent $30 on safety pins and I only used 2 packs, so I spent $15 making this thing plus the $2 for this. So it only costed me $17 in total. But labor fees though, like, you know, that's where the cost is at. So if you do want to go as James Charles for Halloween, like, would not recommend making this specific costume. Like, maybe go for Flashback Mary. And I think I got all of the tape and it looks like the structure is still holding up. Wow! Well, this is the final product. What did we learn over these past 3 days? Well, I really didn't know that I could hate DIYing something so much, but did I have fun? If I could take back these backpack sleeves, I would. So I'm gonna just cover this, and I think it actually looks decent. Also, I know you can tell, but like I'm wearing a shirt underneath because like kind of can't show my nipples. That is the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, still give it a thumbs up. Or don't. Well, I hope this video was entertaining. Shout out of the week is right here. Take one last look at this couture piece that I made. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, sisters! James Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday.